Let's go. Well, good morning, everyone. Miss Nani and I are doing our morning walk after we had a bunch of storms roll through last night. And the creek is overflowing again, big time. We can't go that way anymore. It's way overflooded. I'm coming. She had a rough night last night with all the thunder. She don't like it. And she's such a girly girl that our backyard is all wet. So we got to use the front yard to do her business. They're calling for more rain tomorrow, and again on Thursday, then again on Saturday. It's better than snow. Thanks for watching.